So I just wanted to make a quick Canva tutorial video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to group elements here in Canva. So first thing you have to do is just upload a couple images or a couple different graphics that you want to group. This will also work with text. We'll actually show both examples right here. If I wanted to use these two movie posters, so robots right here, I can use that. If I want to use Shark Tale right here, I will use that. And I will also show you a demonstration of how to group elements with text as well. So I'm just going to write text over here, and then I'm going to write, how about text over here as well? And I'm just going to change the color of that to, how about green? So there you go. I have two things right here. Now, if you want to group elements, it's super simple. All you have to do is actually highlight both things that you want to group. Then once that is done, I want you to press on this group option right here. And basically once that is grouped, now all you got to do is just press one of these things and it'll drag both. They're basically connected to each other as one sort of big graphic. Now, if you want to ungroup it, not a big deal as well. You can ungroup it and now you're good to go. You can move each thing individually. And hopefully that helps. Now, if you want to group text, same exact thing. Just highlight both text, go to where it says group. Once you press group, you are now able to drag both text items wherever you want. If you want to ungroup it, you can ungroup it and move each thing individually. If you want to group all four of these things, that is possible as well. Just highlight all four, go to where it says group. Now you can move all four things at the same time. If you want to ungroup it, just press ungroup. Now you can move each thing individually. So hopefully this video did help, and hopefully this showed you guys how to group elements here on Canva.